The Girl and the Wolf. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young girl named Anya. She was known throughout the village for her kindness and gentle spirit, often spending her days playing in the nearby woods. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the forest, Anya stumbled upon a small, frightened wolf cub. Its fur was matted, and its eyes filled with fear. Without hesitation, Anya knelt down, softly stroking the cub's head. To her surprise, the wolf cub didn't growl or bite, but instead nuzzled into her hand. Anya took the cub home and nursed it back to health, and she named the wolf cub Luna, and they became inseparable. Luna grew into a beautiful, majestic wolf, but her wild nature never faded. She would often disappear into the woods for days at a time, returning only to be with Anya. The villagers were initially wary of Anya's unusual friendship, but over time they came to accept and even admire her bond with Luna. They saw how gentle and loving Anya was, and how Luna responded to her with unwavering loyalty. One day, a terrible storm swept through the village. The wind howled, the rain poured, and lightning flashed across the sky. Anya and Luna were huddled together in Anya's small cottage, seeking shelter from the storm. Suddenly the cottage began to shake. A large tree had fallen onto the roof, threatening to collapse. Without a moment's thought, Luna burst through the door and ran towards the fallen tree. With a mighty heave, she pushed the tree away from the cottage, saving Anya's life. The villagers, who had gathered to help, watched in awe as Luna's bravery and strength saved their friend. From that day forward, Luna was no longer seen as a wild animal, but as a beloved member of the village. And Anya, the girl who had befriended a wolf, became known throughout the land for her courage, kindness, and the extraordinary bond she shared with her loyal companion.